Hi guys, I'm very excited because I received just a few minutes ago a package as usual, and but this time it's something I was tempted to buy a new headphone, and I have already a few of them, but until now I didn't have one brand I like, and as French I should probably have at least one. Okay, let's cut the crap and let's stop talking. So I just show you what I got, and you can see it was delivered from it's from a store, and it's the new clear MG from Focal. And so yes, the DHL delivery, we don't care much, except this is not nice DHL, but yeah. So as usual, I need my loyal cutter, and I will open. So based on the previous reviews, what I know is it's a great experience when you open a box from Focal. There's a really a great feeling, and I don't know if it's Focal but they love tape here. Okay, should be enough. So up, let's see what we have. It's upside down? No, it's not upside down. So, yes, the famous do not eat. So yes, I still say it, do not eat, because it's written on it. And you have the box inside, so let's open. Okay, we have the box here. In the rest of the box there's nothing. So you have some tape again. And this time it's upside down or not. Let's see. Okay. Let's put it this way. Clear MG Focal. So I was tempted not long time ago to buy another headphone from Focal, the Celesti. It's a close back, and it's around 1,000 euros, and I was very tempted, except I'm not a big fan of close back headphones. I probably already said it. So I saw there were some kind of promotions on the Clear, and thought, okay, it's a light gray. I don't know if I should go. Maybe it will be replaced. And just like a month later, they announced this one. No, they announced the Clear MG Pro, and now the Clear MG. So Focal, they have been very busy this year. They released like an headphones every month or so. So here you go. You have a beautiful case. Okay, I will put this on the side. And you have also a box. Oh, there's another one. Still do not eat. Okay, and there's just foam, and that's it. Okay. So this is what we have. So let's start with this. Up, we're going to remove. Really, it's like haute couture. Very. There's a pleasant smell. Okay, it smells kind of chemicals, but there's a nice smell from here, not from the box itself. So you have this very beautiful case very well made. I would say it's a classic. Here you can see it's, I would say, a mix of maybe bronze, chestnut, I don't know, with the Focal logo, and a handle made of leather. So let's open. Up. Ta-da! The cable is not there. I thought they were putting the cable here. Okay, all the cables are there. I don't know why they don't put it here. One more. Do not eat. I should start a collection. Okay, user manual, brand content, and that's it. So let's see what we have. Oh, here it is. Wow, very strong smell. It smells like chemical, this one. Yeah, same. Okay, so what do we have? So you have some details. So they start with the French. Maybe I will switch to the English. So what we do have: the ClearMG headphones, carrying case, 2 cables, jack adapter somewhere here, brand content. Okay, so everything is there. That's usually the first thing I do. I check the content. And okay, and after it's German, so important safety. Yeah, there's not much. Okay, so let's check the cables. So left, right, up. Reminds me where is it? Is it? They all have the same provider, I think. Oh no, it's not the same. Maybe it's the same. Where's the other one? No, it's not the same either. Okay, different providers. Okay, so the adapter. So this is probably the 1.8 up. We have, no, it's even shorter. No, which size it is? I don't know which size it is, but you can see the cable is, yeah, I will have to make it a bit straight, because otherwise it's not very pleasant. I know cable, some people already complain about the cables. So what is the size? Okay, 1.2 meters for this cable and 3 meters cable. Yeah, and here, oh yes, here I can show you the details. So it's an open back headphone. And why didn't put this also in English? Okay, it's just in, okay, and here. Okay, so the space, I know here, sorry, it's written in English on this part. So it's 55 ohms, 5 hertz to 28 kilohertz. Okay, 450 grams. So it's, yeah, I would say it's average. And okay, so let's try. And here we have the cable. I would have, okay, it's a XLR4. I would have preferred a 4.4 Pentacon, but yeah, probably I will have to buy an adapter to change this, or to buy another cable maybe, because this one would probably, I would have to fight a bit. Look at this. I think it will take time to, anyway, stop complaining. So here is the beast. It's beautiful, really. it's my first focal, so sorry, I have to see it. I'm still a bit surprised. At the same time, I know what I ordered, right? And it was supposed to come for my birthday, which is in 2 months, but I decided to to buy it earlier. And well, my wife said yes. So anyway, I would have to check. I don't want to damage anything, so I would have to check how to remove the pads. But anyway, I don't plan to change anything. It's really, really well made, I have to say. It's very precise, and this is very, very, I mean, compared to, okay, price wise, it's very, I think I paid more or less the same than the Sennheiser HD 800S, and you cannot okay, I don't know if sound wise they are pretty similar, but on the quality side, I mean, Sennheiser, they are giving you just a regular normal box with some cables, some papers, a USB stick and stuff like that. But I can compare them. I mean, yeah, I have all my headphones above me, so I really like the Sennheiser, so I'm not criticizing it, but look at it. I mean, it's made mainly of plastic. It's well made, but still, it's here you can see the difference how it is made. And okay, the adjustment is very minimum, but it's very well made, and it's not making this cracking sound I hate on the Beyer Dynamic DT 1990 Pro. Oh, it's going back by itself. Superb, really, really, really. I will have to try it. Yeah, I can. This is what I don't like with the here with the Beyer. It's moving, and sometimes, see, and this is something I don't like. Oh, it was this side all the time. I don't know, the precisions are not that. Here, this part is plastic. I mean, Beyer Dynamic, they are making very nice things. I like this brand a lot. I don't like the fact the cables are out and things like that, but it's really not. Even if I have nice headphones, most of the time I use this one. Okay, no, most of the time I use the Tiger 300R because, you know, home office, I work and spend a lot of time on the phone, or, you know, with team meetings and stuff like that. So I use the Tiger 300R very often. When I want to play or when I want to watch some YouTube videos or things like that, I use this one because it's very convenient. It's like a tank. It's very strong, and so I use it all the time. You can see I have it like, I don't know, for a few months already, and I use it a lot. It's full of dust, but yes, I use it a lot. And this one, it's only when I want to relax, when I don't have noise around me. I listen to, you know, I choose my favorite album and I listen to it, and I really like it. And this one is the newcomer, so I don't know which one will be my favorite. I don't have a favorite, actually, headphone, because I have also the 660S I use from time to time. I have the one I use in the depending on the room also. If I'm in the living room, I will use a different headphone, so it's the 660S, and my wife is using the 560S. So we have different headphones here and there. We have also some Bluetooth. I never mentioned the Bluetooth because I think this sound is really okay, it's not on the same level. But well, when you just watch you know, a series on Netflix or something like that, it's good enough. And I don't want to have a 3-meter, or maybe in here I need 5-meter cable. So anyway, long story short, I use different headphones, and I hope I will enjoy this one. I read in some comments that some people prefer the sound, it was a bit different with the previous Focal Clear. This is my first Focal, so I don't know. I never got the chance to try a Focal before, so I decided to go for this one, and instead of the Celestie, which is closed back, this one is open back, and yeah, I think tonight I will spend some time with few albums, some different type of jazz, classic, and I don't know. I will see what or Vardruna, also some Nordic music I discovered not long time ago, and I really like. So yeah, I will see. Oh, maybe one day I should make a video about my favorite albums, because there are some albums I think they are really good and they're worth spend some time with it. Anyway, that's not the topic of today. So topic of today, it's the Focal Clear MG with the magnesium, yes, and maybe they will release a new Utopia as well this year. Who knows? Utopia MG or something like that would be funny. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Sorry if I talk too much and I compare things, but I think it's music is something very personal, and you have your favorite favorite cables, favorite brands, favorite and it's always good to discuss and to share with people, because sometimes you discover new things, and yeah, and this is how I spend a lot of time reading comments, and maybe 1 or 2 hours per day reading comments, and I spend some time in Facebook groups as well, where people are talking about different setups with tube amps, etc. This is another area I'm not familiar at all with the vacuum tubes, I think it's called also. So this is another thing. For now, I have my traveling Diablo, my traveling DAC, Hi-Fi IDSD Diablo, and I have my ADI2 DAC and from RME, and this is very interesting. I think the most important when you like music, whether you prefer hi-fi or you're an audiophile, it's the journey. It's not what you have, all the equipment you can have, but the journey which is taking you there. And it's very nice, very nice. Okay, I stopped talking. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.